Okay, so I've got a 2004 Subaru Forester. I'm putting in an amp wiring kit. So pretty much just got a screwdriver, poke the hole into this little grommet bit, push the amp wire in. Now, not sure where it comes out exactly, so I just keep pushing, get a couple of meters in, and it'll eventually pop its little head out. So if we take a look in the car, what it's done, I've pulled it since then, but it's basically curled up around here and I had two ends. So this worked out, pulled on both, so which one came through, and it comes out somewhere underneath the dash through the firewall. Then you just keep pulling it through until you got how much you need through. I'm going to put this one in the boot, so I'm going to run it through the door, underneath the door trim and the carpets, and run it through the boot. But that's how you get it through the firewall. That's the easiest way. Just make a little incision, just keep pushing it through. It'll go in quite easily. This is all I did, just keep pushing it through, and then see where it comes out and pull the other end through.